What's up, everybody, and welcome to DadGotParks, an unboxing. That's right, my Christmas / birthday / I probably don't get to make many more requests gift is here early, and I'm going to unbox it. And I'm very excited about it. For those of you who are unaware of what this is, shame, shame, shame. This is the Boba Fett Black Series re-armored Mandalorian helmet. This is Boba Fett's helmet from the Mandalorian. It's got its new paint job on there. It looks amazing. It's got all kinds of goodies. I picked this up at the Star Wars store over in Disney Springs for $119.99. I love The Mandalorian, and I'm so excited for Boba Fett, Book of Boba Fett to come out. And this, I need to make room on the shelf, but let's just get in here. Oh my gosh. All right, lots of tape. I should cut this tape. Let me get something to cut the tape with. Filler cardboard, instructions. A helmet has instructions. Man, it is in there. Carefully place the box down. Ah, it's like tied to the bottom, like these little tie straps. So if you get this, don't try to rip it out hard and all aggressive, because you might break something. They definitely did not want this to come out before you're supposed to get it out. All right, come on. We got tape on the plastic holding it in. This is frustrating. I just want my helmet. Give me my helmet. Inside the box is one wrapped Boba Fett helmet. Oh, that is satisfying. And a rangefinder. This is Boba Fett's missile rangefinder. Oh, and it looks like it's gonna pop on right here. But I'm gonna read the instructions. Holy cow, there's a lot of warnings. Here we go. That's what we want. This is gonna explain to us how to put on our rangefinder. So we need 3, looks like AA batteries to go in this sucker somewhere. Where? Oh, there's some screws on the base plate here somewhere. Ah, okay. First thing you gotta realize is this little part pops off, cover plate, battery. And that looks like a single AAA battery. I'll be right back. There is a single screw here at the bottom, which is the larger screwdriver head size. There we go. And it is a AAA. The only electronics in this is the rangefinder. Unfortunately, it doesn't do the voice changer. I wish they would have added that. That would have been nice. But a working LCD rangefinder is pretty cool. And then it says to put this back on first. And I'm always so trepidatious about this kind of stuff. Like, I don't want to break things. There we go. And then we'll put our rangefinder on. And let's see if we have any working screen. Oh my gosh, we do. Oh, on the inside you can see, I have to get some detail shots of this. And then I think, all right, so if you, boom, you flip it down. And I think there's supposed to be something on the outside. How do you turn that on? Oh, there's a cover. Dude, that's pretty awesome. Oh. Boom. Now, it's a helmet. I think I have to try it on. It's got some adjustments you can do, but we're just gonna go for it. Oh, that's cool. I am Boba Fett. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. So you can tighten and do all kinds of things. I will say, as far as Boba Fett goes, how he killed anything, I don't know, because like the eye slits are very small and his rangefinder doesn't even line up with his eye slit. I am Boba Fett. Oh, I love this thing. I will get you guys some detail shots here. But overall, super impressed with it. The build quality is amazing. It has the dent. They even weathered it, like the paint looks like it was redone, because you can feel there's like a texture on the top where there was like rust happened and he sanded over it and he repainted it. Oh. But the glass is perfect. You got the rangefinder going. Oh, I just need to figure out how to make it shoot missiles. Yeah. If you are a Boba Fett fan, like I am, that's Boba Fett artwork on there. I've got a bunch of miniature Boba Fetts. This is, in my opinion, a must-have collectible. You gotta get it. I will now get you guys detail shots. I will find a place for it on my shelf of stuff. And that's it for this video. Thank you each and every one of you who supports this channel, especially my members. You guys are awesome. If you guys want to win cool stuff, you can do that by being a member. You get all kinds of benefits. Information's in the description. I just want to say, this is awesome, and I'm dumbfounded by how cool this is. Dad may play with toys. Dad may wear a Boba Fett helmet as an adult, but Dad doesn't do outros. So that's it.